Uh, Thank you, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, Professor, loud and clear.
Yeah, thank you. Eminent management of Kamla PG College, Dholpur, mm, eminent speakers, teachers, dear students. A very good afternoon to one and all. It is indeed a pleasure for me having been given time, this opportunity to speak on this best occasion in this national workshop on entrepreneurship and various dimensions. Well, I have been given directions that I have to conclude this my presentation within 15 minutes. It will be a bit of challenge, but I will try my level best. And dear friends, yes, I have got some inputs that there will be mostly students as part of this workshop. So I have kept my presentation very simple and basic, and then it will be full of examples of the entrepreneurs, which will give some insights and inspiration. Well, I request Professor Upadhyay sir, please let me know if there is any issue at any moment. Uh, I believe it is my voice and this PPT is visible, right? Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So nice of you. Dear friends, first, who are entrepreneurs? Uh, See, the same question I used to ask to the participants or to the students, and then the most of the answers, are focused at entrepreneur is someone who starts a business. But then, yes, of course, starting a business is, it is one aspect of being an entrepreneur, but it is not everything regarding entrepreneur. Another important viewpoint is when I ask the same question is I used to get answer in terms of some of the prominent entrepreneurs like Bill Gates, associated with Microsoft. There is Steve Jobs, there is Sam Walton, Carla Salim, Warren Buffett, there is Elon Musk, we all know, Tesla. Uh, there is Gautam Adani ji, he's a popular figure now in our country. Who does not know these guys in picture? They have a lot of immense contribution to the economy of our country. Dhirubhai Ambani ji and his sons Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani ji. Well, rightly mentioned by Radhakrishnan sir. Tatas are known for their values and commitment. He is another good name, the soft spoken man of steel in this country. Uh, well, uh, there are another. There are so many noteworthy entrepreneurs. Varghese Kurian, Milkman of India, Kumar Mangalam Birla. There is Biocon Queen. There is Philip Cott. Founders Sachin Benny Bansal. Then, yes, let me tell you that who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is something is, challenging the unknown, and uh, how we can define an entrepreneur is based on qualities and characteristics. Well, an entrepreneur, he can be an innovator, he can be developer, and entrepreneurs, they convert opportunities into workable, marketable ideas, which catch the demand from the customers. And yes, entrepreneurs, they add value through time, effort, money, skills. And yes, of course, risk ke bina to, it is not possible to be an entrepreneur. They assume the risk of competitive marketplace to implement these ideas. Let me tell you another important aspect. वर्ल्ड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर इज नॉट लिमिटेड टू पॉपुलर नेम्स. हमने जिन दिग्गज एंटरप्रेन्योर को देखा, खाली वही एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं है. We have countless entrepreneurs existing in our country. You might have, Ritesh Agarwal is a prominent figure now. He started selling SIM cards when he was just 13-year-old, and then he started Oyo hotels and rooms in 2013. And today we all know this Oyo is one, among the top hotel chains around the globe. We have Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Paytm founder. He is again a prominent entrepreneur in our country. This Vijay Shekhar Sharma ji, he's a son of teacher from a small city in North India. And then he started this IndiaSite.net in 1997 when he was just a college student. Another noteworthy entrepreneur, Bhavesh Agarwal ji, he's Ola Cabs founder. And then he got idea of this app when he and his friend, जब उनको दिक्कत हुई, they strived to find a taxi in Mumbai, and then they realized that there is a huge gap in the market in terms of this reliable ride hailing service. And then rest is history. Ola is so much a popular initiative in this country. Yeah, girl power in our country. Vandla, Luthra, VLCC. Healthcare, then beauty and wellness initiative. And she is worth more than 1,300 crore now. There is, we students might be knowing Vinita Singh Sugar. She is associated with Sugar cosmetic brand, and she is also a prominent figure. Shark Tank, one among the sharks on that Shark Tank initiative. There is Falguni Nair is another prominent entrepreneur. Many times she has been awarded as the best entrepreneur, and she is associated with this Nykaa.com, that is a beauty related products. Again, a very promising entrepreneur. This you can draw an inspiration from Patricia Narayan. She survived an abusive marriage. She started handcraft business, earning from 50 paise. Now today, rupees 2 lakh per day now. You can draw immense inspiration from such entrepreneurs. Now students, what is entrepreneurship? We have, got some insights regarding entrepreneur. Now, what is entrepreneurship? जैसे शाहरुख खान acting कर लेते हैं, he is known to be an actor because of his immense skills in acting. उसी तरह entrepreneur they are known for the entrepreneurship. Yeah, meanwhile, let me tell you, Shahrukh Khan is also an entrepreneur. You all, if you have interest in cricket, there is Kolkata Knight Riders team. He is the owner of that team. Yes, entrepreneurship, it is a, again, I just witnessed Radha Krishan sir. He mentioned about entrepreneurship. Truly, entrepreneurship, it is a mindset. It is not just the creation of business. It is more than that. It is